السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مدرسة جيل السلام 2 قرية حياة. الصف التاسع لغة انكليزية. The subject is grammar. The passive voice. The date is the 2nd of April 2020. المبني للمجهول في اللغة الإنجليزية. The passive in English language. In this video, we are going to talk about the passive. And here, my student, we have a question. Why should you use the passive? لماذا ينبغي عليك أن تستخدم المبني للمجهول؟ Let's see the answer. The answer is number 1. You don't want to say who did the action. أنت لا تريد أن تقول من قام بالفعل. Number 2. You don't know who did the action. أنت لا تعلم من قام بالفعل. Number 3. The object is the most important part of the sentence. أن المفعول به هو أهم جزء في الجملة. Now, here we have a question. How do we form the passive from an active sentence? كيف يمكننا تكوين جملة المبني المجهول من جملة مثبتة؟ Here we have 3 main steps. First, we identify the object in the active sentence. And this is the most important step. أن نقوم بتحديد المفعول به في الجملة المثبتة. Second, we put it in the place of the subject in the passive sentence. نقوم بوضعها مكان الفاعل في جملة المبني للمجهول. Third, we put the suitable verb to be plus verb 3. نقوم بوضع فعل to be المناسب. As we know, verb to be is consisting of is are in the present, was were in the past, been in past participle. In this video, we are going to learn only 3 types from the passive. في هذا الفيديو سنقوم بتعلم فقط 3 أنواع للمبني للمجهول. First, the present simple passive الحاضر البسيط المبني للمجهول. Second, the present continuous passive الحاضر المستمر المبني للمجهول. Third, the passive with can المبني المجهول مع كان. Now, my student, let's start with the present simple passive. My student, if we have a sentence in present simple inactive and we want to turn it into passive, we follow this simple rule, which is to put is or are plus verb 3. How can we do that? Let's see this example. We recycle paper and make new products. As you see, this sentence is consisting of 2 parts. The first part is we recycle paper. The second part is make new products. So let's do the first part. We recycle paper. According to the first step, we should identify the object. So where is the object in this sentence? It's paper. Excellent, my student. So we put it first. Paper, as you know, it's uncountable now, and we deal with it as singular. So we put is. After is, we should use verb 3 from the verb. Now, what's the verb in the sentence? It's recycle. Recycle is regular verb, so we write it recycle. Now we put the conjunction and the next sentence or the second sentence, make new products. Now, what is the object? It's new products. Excellent, my student. New products. Is it singular or plural? It's plural. So we use are. Then we put verb 3 from the verb make, which is made. So the sentence will be paper is recycled and new products are made. Now let's move to the second type, which is the present continuous passive. If we have a sentence in present continuous active and we want to turn it into passive, we follow the rule to choose either is or are according to the new subject plus being plus verb 3. Let's see the example. The workers are linking the phone lines. In this sentence, what is the object? It's the phone lines. So we write it first. Now we put the suitable verb to be. So what do we choose? Is or are? We choose are because the phone lines are plural. Then we add being. After that, we put verb 3 from the verb link, which is linked. So the sentence will be the phone lines are being linked. Now let's move to number 3, which is the passive with can. This rule is very easy. If we have can in the active sentence, we want to turn it into passive, we use can plus be plus verb 3. Let's see the example. Satellites can predict storms. As we learn, where is the object? It's storms. So we put it first. Then we put can be and the verb 3 from the verb product, which is produced. Here we have a note, which is if the subject in the active sentence, which is here, satellite, is important, we write it at the end of the sentence. يعني إذا كان الفاعل في الجملة المثبتة مهم نضعه في آخر جملة المبني للمجهول مسبوقا بواي. So it will be by satellite. Storms can be predicted by satellite. Now this is all about the passive. Now here we have a homework. Turn these sentences into passive. Number 1, scientists can predict natural disasters. Number 2, they are building new walls. Number 3, the sun heats the water in the ocean. My students, please do these exercises, and I'm sure now you will be able to do them correctly and easily. Thank you very much. Good luck.